FindersKeepers.com wants to give you the keys to buying your dream home. First, meet with a lender early on to get pre-qualified for your loan. This will determine your price range. Second, find your home. I would suggest looking at all the great properties advertised right here on FindersKeepers.com. Once you have found your dream home, then it is time to make an offer to purchase. The offer to purchase is the legal contract for the sale of the house. Key things to agree on are the earnest money paid to the seller, sale price, any special items included in the sale, along with a date that the sale must be completed. The law requires every seller to give the buyer a property condition report. For older homes, a lead paint disclosure form is required. Traditionally, a realtor takes care of the details. These include finding a title company to search the public records to ensure that the buyer gets a good title to the property purchase. Other details include arranging for closing, inspection, sale or financing contingencies, payoffs of mortgages, recording of a new mortgage, etc. At the closing, the buyer gives money to the seller, and the seller gives the buyer the deed to the property. Make sure you get an early estimate of closing costs. Title insurance can cost hundreds of dollars depending on the price of the house. Other costs include the attorney's fee, lender's fee, and a closing fee. Also at closing, the final details of the move will be confirmed. I hope this quick look at buying your dream home has answered some of your questions and informed you on what to expect. For more detailed information, check out the local service providers on the left-hand side of this page.